Hi, this is Emily. I just wanted to take a moment and check in, see how you're doing. My guess is that life is kind of overwhelming right now. Stressful, not sure which way to go, not sure how to feel, really questioning a lot of things. And that's totally normal. I feel that on a daily basis. My clients feel that. My family feels that. And life keeps going. And all of a sudden, we'll be having fun and then stress. The world that we live in right now is a little bit topsy turvy. It's a little bit of the unknown, right? And I am crazy grateful for tools and techniques and ideas that I learned years ago that are helping me be more resilient, right? The highs and lows are going to happen. And when you're resilient, you're able to maneuver through that a little bit easier, right? You're able to roll with it a little bit smoother. And these tools, thoughts become things, is I use it on a daily basis. I've used this for years and I believe wholeheartedly in it. And I'm going to be teaching a class here in a couple of weeks, and I would love to invite you in. The class is really about taking a look at your thoughts, taking a look at your beliefs, your emotions, and how all of that together makes up your world, your life, and how you react to life happening, how you react to events in your life. And it can help you enjoy life way more. It can help you be stronger and more resilient in your day. It's not, oh, think positive, just be happy. It's really real life, simple tools that you can apply to change your thoughts, to change your way of looking at situations to make your day better. I mean, they're simple, they're straightforward, and yet we're not taught these as kids. We're not taught these when we're young. And when I fell into this, when I learned it, it was like, oh my gosh, yes, please, thank you, and more. So I would love to share it with you. I would love for you to join the course. It's a 4-week online course that's going to be interactive. It's going to be fun. And I truly want to help empower you to take control of your day, to take control of your relationships, right? Your career, parenting. This can help you on so many levels. Your health, how we think affects our day. How we feel affects our actions, right? All of that makes up our world. And this course can help you on that path. It can help you have a better day. And I would love for you to join me. So September 16th is when it kicks off. The cost for the class is $125, but I have an early bird registration that's good through next Monday, the 24th, for $99. Again, 4-week class, you get a workbook. We'll have lots of fun activities. We're going to meet via Zoom. We'll have small breakout sessions. We'll have the large group teach. I'll be sending you some fun things in the mail to be interactive during the course. So please join me. If you have any inkling of you're wanting it to be better, you're wanting to make a change, but you don't know how, this is a perfect place to start. I'll hold safe space for us to learn and to grow and to play together so that you can apply these lessons, you can apply these ideas to make your day, your career, your relationship, your health, your life better in every way. So I invite you in, take a look at the link and register. We'll see you soon. Bye.